Hello, I'm Bernie Rush and you're welcome to this brief introduction to our online data analysis with Minitab course. During this course, you will become very competent in recording, measuring, graphing and analysing various process problems. The course takes place over 15 webinars, each of 2 hours in length, and we take a 10-minute break in the middle of each webinar. Please be sure to have a quiet place where you can concentrate on webinar content, as each webinar is live, and also you will need a reliable Wi-Fi connection. Don't worry about course materials such as datasets and case studies. Once you enroll, we will provide those to you. You will need access to Minitab during the course. So please be sure you can access your corporate license, your own personal license, or you can download a trial version of Minitab for free. Please don't do that until the very beginning of the course, as the trial version lasts only for 30 days. If you have any questions at all on course content, please be sure to contact us. We are here to help.